Larsen and Toubro L&T, a prominent Indian industrial conglomerate, is investing in the aerospace sector, specifically focusing on launch vehicle and satellite manufacturing to drive future growth. As the country moves toward reducing reliance on imports and increasing private sector participation in space exploration, L&T is positioning itself to play a critical role in this transformation. The company, already the largest private sector defense manufacturer in India, is capitalizing on the growing space economy, with a significant focus on vehicle assembly, integration, and launch services. L&T is currently building India's first privately made polar satellite launch vehicle, PSLV, which is central to the Indian Space Research Organization's ISRO satellite launch program.
As a company, we believe that the sector is opening up. There is a larger role that we can play beyond manufacturing into the vehicle assembly, integration, into providing launch services. So there is a whole space economy which is opening up. And as L&T, we are looking at how we can leverage our legacy, our heritage in this to the future requirements of this segment.
The global market for launch vehicles is projected to reach $160 billion over the next decade, with India targeting $44 billion for its commercial space sector by that time. This aligns with India's broader privatization goals and mirrors trends in the US and China, where private companies like SpaceX are increasingly involved in strategic space programs. L&T's efforts also extend to the defense sector, as it looks to contribute to India's indigenous fighter jet program by expanding its production of wings for the light combat aircraft LCA Tejas, with the Indian government allocating a significant budget for defense procurement, including $3.4 billion for private industry in fiscal year 2024 to 25. L&T is well positioned to contribute to the country's defense and space ambitions.
The PSLV is one example where we are working along with ISRO and industrializing it, making it something that can be produced at commercial scale, where we can provide launch services on demand, where we are able to deliver payload capacity as the market demands. Space for defense is clearly something all countries are looking at, and it is a strategic segment for the government, and anybody working in the space domain, especially domestic companies, could surely contribute to that. So we are looking at all those aspects of space, and the technologies can be spread across different segments.